Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your email address and password or your other credentials to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page where you can directly start placing your orders. Now, if you wish to add a credit card onto your account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Wallet. Now, from the Wallet page, tap on Add Payment Method and you will see the credit or debit card option. Tap on this option and you will be asked to enter your credit or debit card number. Simply enter your card number and then type in the expiration date as well as CVV number. Once you enter all of these information and the required credentials, you can proceed forward. And once your information has been verified, your credit card will be added onto your Uber Eats account, and you can now use this option to top up your Uber Cash. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your credit card onto Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.